Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, President of Elite Worldwide, and I am thrilled to tell you today I'm joined by a dear friend of mine, Ron Haugen. And for those of you that don't know him, you probably have heard of him. He actually owned Westside Auto Pros for how many years, Ron?
21 years.
21 years. Grew a really great business. Co-chair of Vision, by the way, works with us as a business development coach. And just earlier, he's telling me a really cool tip that I think you're going to enjoy. Ron, do you mind sharing that with our audience today?
I'd love to share it with the audience. One thing that you may consider to add an additional revenue stream to your shop is to get into the windshield chip repair business. It is often a lower skilled position. You can have a GS or maybe even a shuttle driver trained how to do it. Wow. It's easy to train them. Wow. Most of the professional kits run $300 to $400. They come with DVD instructions. What we did at my shop was we called a salvage yard, bought an old windshield, created a whole bunch of chips in it, practiced repairing them until we felt that we were confident, and it's an easy sell to the customer. The car is in for service. You mentioned to them, hey, I noticed you have a rock chip in your windshield. They're going to reply, oh, I've been meaning to get that fixed. I just haven't had time. Well, today we can do that for an additional $39, $49, whatever it is. It's an easy add-on, and it places a lot of money to the bottom line.
Boy, what a great tip, huh? What a great tip. Well, there you go. Take that tip, put it to use. You're going to be thrilled with the results for sure. Thanks so much for joining us.